Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we'll begin practice set 5.2 on textbook page number 25. Expand. In this practice set you have to use the formula a plus b the whole cube. First one, k plus 4 the whole cube. The formula of a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The question is in a plus b the whole cube. You have to understand, in place of a you have to take it as k, in place of b you have to take it as 4, and then you have to solve this part if the question is in a plus b the whole cube. Question what is given, write it again and write it in this form. K plus 4 the whole cube is equal to k cube plus 3k square 4 plus 3k 4 square plus 4 cube. After taking in place of a and b, I wrote it in this form. You have to understand which is a and which is b. Here the cube of the variable remain the same. This you have to write multiplication form. 3a square b plus 3ab square here. This number you have to write multiplication form. And then plus 4 cube. 4 cube you have to multiply 3 times 4. Now we will do next step. K cube plus 3 into k into 4. Here 3a square b which is there here, I wrote it in multiplication form. 3 into k, k square is given because index is square. K have to multiply 2 times into 4, that is the meaning, plus 3k 4 square, that is 3 into k into 4 into 4. 4 square is given. You have to take multiplication form 4 2 times because index square is given, plus 4 cube. Now final step is all you have to solve. Here cube of the variable remain the same, and then multiply this. 3 4s are 12. 12 into k, 12 k square will become, plus 3 into k into 4 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 into k is 48k, plus 4 cube. 4 cube you have to multiply 3 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So this is the final answer. K cube plus 12 k square plus 48k plus 64. Next, 7x plus 8y the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The question is in a plus b the whole cube. If the question is in a plus b the whole cube, you have to solve this part. You have to understand which is a and which is b. In place of a, you have to take it as 7x. In place of b, you have to take it as 8y. Write the question again and then write it in this form. And finally you have to solve. 7x plus 8y the whole cube is equal to 7x cube plus 3 into 7x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y square plus 8y cube. In place of a cube, I wrote 7x cube. In place of 3a square b, I wrote 3 into 7x square into 8y. In place of 3ab square, I wrote 3 into 7x into 8y square. In place of b cube, I wrote 8y cube. And then you have to write again this multiplication form. 7x cube, you have to multiply 7 number 3 times. Cube of the variable remain the same. You have to multiply the number cube of the number 7. Again step will come in multiplication form. And then again you have to write here 3a square b multiplication form, because 7x square is given, index square is given. If any number and variable is given index square, you have to multiply that number 2 times. If index square is given, you have to write the multiplication form 2 times. Means 7x you have to write 2 times. Then 3ab square also you have to write multiplication form again. Here 8y square, index square is there. 8y you have to write multiplication form 2 times. And finally again you have to multiply cube of the number 8. Cube of the variable remain the same. You have to write multiplication form again. That is equal to 7x into 7x into 7x plus 3 into 7x into 7x into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y into 8y plus 8y into 8y into 8y. All this I wrote multiplication form which I made the group. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And then you have to solve. Multiply all. What is 7 cube and what is 8 cube? You have to understand. I will show you the table. Cube of the number 7 is here. Cube of the number 8 is here. You already studied chapter 3 cube and cube roots. That is equal to 343 x cube plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. I multiplied this all and I got this final answer. Next, 7 plus m the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We will solve this sum directly after teaching first and second sum. Write this question again and then solve it in, expand it in a plus b the whole cube. 7 plus m the whole cube is equal to 7 cube plus 3 into 7 square into m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube. Write this multiplication form again. That is equal to 7 cube plus 3 into 7 into 7 into m plus 3 into 7 into m plus m cube. I wrote in multiplication form 3a square b plus 3ab square. And finally you have to solve all this to get answer. Find the cube of the number 7 and then multiply 3a square b plus 3ab square. And here cube of the variable remain the same. I am giving you a chance to solve, students. Cube of the number 7 is 343. Then multiply this number. 3 sevens are 21. 21 sevens are how much? 147. 147 into m is 147 m. Then multiply this part now. 3ab square. 3 into 7 is 3 sevens are 21. 21 into m is 21 m square plus m cube. Cube of the variable remain the same. This is the final answer. Next, 52 cube. You have to write the expansion form of the number 52. Unit place you have number 2 of number 52. If you have the number 1 to 5 in the unit place, you have to write addition form of expansion. So 52 cube will become addition form of expansion. First you have to write the formula a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And then you have to write expansion form of the number 52. Expansion form of the number 52 is 50 plus 2. That is 50 plus 2 the whole cube. This way you have to write. If you have the unit place from number 1 to 5. In place of A, you have to take it as 50. In place of B, you have to take it as 2. Expansion form of the formula of A plus B the whole cube, you have to write this part of this number. That is 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square plus 2 cube. In place of A cube, I wrote it 50 cube. In place of 3A square B, I wrote 3 into 50 square into 2. In place of 3AB square, I wrote 3 into 50 into 2 square. In place of B cube, I wrote 2 cube. Now write this again multiplication form. 50 cube you can write as it is. Write the multiplication form of 3A square B plus 3AB square. And B cube also you can write as it is. That is equal to 50 cube plus 3 into 50 into 50 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 into 2 plus 2 cube. Now 50 cube you have to solve. Number 50 you have to multiply 3 times because index is cube. I am multiplying it. I have multiplied here number 50 3 times. 3 zeros are there. If you have 3 zeros here, I wrote here answer 3 zeros. Then multiply cube of the number 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. You are getting 50 cube answer 1,25,000. Then multiply this part now. 3A square B. 3 into 50 is, multiply 3 into 50, how much getting? 150. 150 into 50 multiply. After getting the answer of by multiply 150 into 50, then finally multiply by 2. I multiplied here 150 into 50, I am getting 7,500, and finally I multiplied 7,500 into 2, I am getting 15,000. Okay, now we will solve 3AB square part. I have solved here 3AB square. 3 into 50 I am getting 150. Then I multiplied 150 into 2 here. I am getting 300. Then multiply 300 into 2. I am getting answer 600. And finally you have to solve B cube part. B cube is 2 cube. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. I wrote this all your answer after multiplying this all. And now add this all. Have added here 1,25,000 plus 15,000 plus 600 plus 8. I am getting the answer 1,40,608. This is the final answer. Next, 101 cube. You have to write the expansion form of the number 101. Fourth question, how I taught you 52 cube. Here you have to write the expansion form of 101. First, write the formula of A plus B the whole cube. A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. You have 3-digit number here, 101. This one is in 100 place and other one is in unit place. The expansion form of the number 101 is 100 plus 1. You have to take 100 place and unit place and then write cube form. That is 100 plus 1 the whole cube. In place of A you have to take it 100. In place of B you have to take it 1. And then you have to expand it in this form, and finally you have to solve. That is 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square plus 1 cube. In place of a cube, I wrote 100 cube. In place of 3a square b, I wrote 3 into 100 square into 1. In place of 3ab square, I wrote 3 into 100 into 1 square. In place of b cube, I wrote 1 cube. You have to understand which is a and which is b. Cube of the number will solve last part. Okay. First you have to solve 3a square b plus 3ab square in multiplication form. You have to write first. Okay. That is 100 cube plus 3 into 100 into 100 into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 into 1 plus 1 cube. Now we will solve cube of the number, and then 3a square b plus 3ab square, and finally b cube. Cube of the number, first a part will solve, a cube, that is 100 cube. I multiplied the number 100 3 times. Cube of the number 100 I am getting 10 lakh. When you multiply cube of the number 100, which you are multiplying 3 times 100, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. So I wrote here 6 zeros. Okay. Then finally ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. This is easy way to multiply. So 100 cube, I got the answer 10 lakh. Now we will solve this part. 3a square b. 3 into 100. 100 3s are 300. 300 into 100. 300 into 100 I am getting 30,000. 30,000 ones are 30,000. Why I am getting 30,000? How many zeros are there here? 4 zeros are there. So I wrote in answer 40. Then finally I multiplied 3 ones are 3. This is best way and easiest way to multiply how much to count the zeros. Now we will solve 3ab square. 3 into 100 is 300. 300 ones are 300. 300 ones are 300. Then cube of 1 is, answer is 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Now finally you have to add this. I have added here 10 lakh plus 30,000 plus 300 plus 1. I am getting the answer 10 lakh 30,301. This is the final answer. Next, x plus 1 upon x cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In place of a, you have to take it x. In place of b, you have to take it 1 upon x. And then you have to write it in this form and then solve it. You have to write the question again and then you have to solve. That is x plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square into 1 upon x plus 3x into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. Cube of the variable remain the same. 3a square b you have to write multiplication form. The square which you have the index. 3ab square again you have to write the multiplication form. The square which you have index. That is x cube plus 3 into x into 1 upon x plus 3x into 1 upon x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. X get cancelled. Cube of the variable remain the same. Now multiply this. 3 into x is 3x. 3x ones are 3x. Now solve 3ab square part. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Denominator what is left? X. That is 3 upon x. Plus 1 upon x cube. 1 upon x cube remain the same. The cube of 1 is 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Denominator what you have? X cube. Cube of the variable remain the same. So the final answer is x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Next, 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You have to understand which is a and which is b after teaching many sums. 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube is equal to 2m cube plus 3 into 2m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 square plus 1 upon 5 cube. Cube of the variable remain the same. You have to find the cube of the number 2. Cube of the number 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, answer is coming 8. So here answer will come 8m cube. Then you have tried multiplication form of 3a square b plus 3ab square. Square which you have indexed, that you have tried 2 times of multiplication form. And then 1 upon 5 cube, you have the numerator and denominator here. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 1 will come 1 into 1 into 1. Cube of 5 will come 5 into 5 into 5. You have to multiply both the numerator and denominator cube of the number. That is 8m cube plus 3 into 2m into 2m into 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 125. Here a cube part and b cube part I have already solved. Now you have to solve here 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 ones are 12. M into m is m square. Denominator what you have? 5. That is 12m square upon 5. Now we'll solve 3ab square part. 3 twos are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 into m is 6m upon denominator what you have? 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25. That is answer is coming 6m upon 25. So the final answer is 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. Last one is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Question what is given, write it again and write it in this form and finally solve. 5x upon y plus y upon 5x the whole cube is equal to 5x upon y cube plus 3 into 5x upon y square into y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into y upon 5x square plus y upon 5x cube. This is a cube, this is 3a square b, this is 3ab square and this is b cube. First we will solve a cube and b cube. After solving a cube and b cube, 3a square b and 3ab square, you have to write this multiplication form, the square which you have indexed. If you have square index, you have to write 2 times multiplication form. That is, in 3a square b, 5x upon y square is there. You have to write multiplication form 5x upon y 2 times. And in 3ab square, y upon 5x the whole square index is there. Y upon 5x you have to write multiplication form 2 times. So let's start solving a cube and b cube. A cube is 5x upon y the whole cube. In a cube you have numerator and denominator. Numerator is 5x cube. Cube of the variable remain the same. X cube remain the same. 5 cube is, answer is 125. 5 cube you have to multiply 3 times 5. Answer is coming 125. Denominator you have y. If you have denominator y, you have to write y cube. Here it is given 5x upon y the whole cube. Both numerator and denominator index is same. Cube of the variable remain the same. So on denominator y cube will remain y cube. And in b cube you have y upon 5x the whole cube. Numerator is y. Cube of the variable remain the same. Y cube will remain y cube. And denominator is 5x. That means 5x cube. X cube will remain same. Cube of 5 is 125. In denominator will come 125 x cube. So now you have to write this multiplication form in next step. That is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 5x upon y into 5x upon y into y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into y upon 5x into y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. This part I already solved, a cube and b cube. You have to write this again as it is for next step also. So now you have to solve 3a square b plus 3ab square. In bracket which is there you have to solve that. 5 5s are 25. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. And in this you have to write multiplication form again for next step. And in 3ab square, here will come y into y is y square. 5x into 5x is 25x square. So this will be the next step. 125 x cube upon y cube plus 25 x square upon y square into y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into y square upon 25x square plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Now here bracket which is there, here you have to do the cancellation. Again write the multiplication form. 25x square will become 25 into x. Write this again as it is, this step. A cube and b cube you have to write in this place as it is. That is equal to 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 in bracket 25 x into x upon y into y upon 5x plus 3 in bracket 5x upon y into y upon 25 x into x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Here 3a square b and 3ab square I wrote it in multiplication form again, because here square is there, here you have to write multiplication form. And after that you have to do this cancellation. Here 1x get cancelled. Then here 5 table is going. 5 5s are 25. And then here y and y get cancelled. Here y square is there. Only one y will get cancelled here, because here one y is the numerator. So what will remain here in 3a square b place? In bracket only 5 will remain here on numerator and 1x. And on denominator only y is there. So you have to multiply this bracket one part. Now we will solve 3ab square part. Here 1y got cancelled here. Then again it is going 5 table here. This 5 1s are 5 5s are. Then x and x get cancelled here. This x I cancelled. So denominator will come here 5x. 5x will remain here on denominator. And on numerator you have only y. So you have to multiply this bracket one now in next step. Other all you have to write as it is. This one, and this one that place. Bracket one you have to solve again. And you have to put it in bracket. In 3a square b here, bracket is which is there 5 into x on numerator and y on denominator. In 3ab square which is there left number, on numerator only y is left after doing cancellation, and on denominator 5x is left. Okay, so next step is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 in bracket 5x upon y plus 3 in bracket y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Now last step is remaining. 3a square b plus 3ab square, finally you have to multiply this. 3 into 5x you have to multiply on numerator. Denominator y you have to write as it is. Then 3ab square, 3 into y you have to multiply this. Denominator 5x write as it is. Okay, multiply 3 into 5x, how much getting? 15x on numerator, that is 15x upon y plus 3 into y is 3y upon 5x. Then finally you have to write this all step, that is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. If you understood this practice set, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.